Hi everybody, welcome to LOGOS classes. This is Ramesh here. Today we learn subtraction of integers. Class 7 Maths Chapter 1 Integers, Subtraction. When we subtract a positive integer, we move to left. But in the case of addition, it was opposite. We move to right. When we subtract a positive integer from a positive integer or a negative integer, we move to left. And when we subtract a negative number from a positive integer or a negative integer, we move to right. For example, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Means 5 minus 3 means plus 5 minus plus 3. Plus we are not mentioning here. 5 minus 3. So we were here 5 in the number line. Minus 3 means 3 steps left hand side. From 5, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. It means we are reaching 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So when we are subtracting a negative integer from another integer, positive or negative, no problem, we come to left. When we subtract a negative integer, we move to right. In the case of when we add a negative integer, we move to left. In the case of addition, here we move to right. For example, 5 minus 3 is 5 minus of minus 3 is plus. That is 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. That means 3 steps we are moving, 1, 2, 3, we are coming to 8. Actually, subtraction is the opposite of addition. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. I will explain it clearly later. Now here 5 minus 6 is 5 plus 6, that is 11. Now here I am taking this, instead of plus 5, the integer I am taking as minus 5. Minus 5 minus minus 3, that is minus 5, no change. Minus of minus is plus 3, that is minus 2. See, minus 5 we were here in the number line. Minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So we are going 3 steps ahead. From here minus 5, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. So we are moving right. We are reaching minus 2. So either a positive integer or a negative integer, we are subtracting another integer, we will move to, when we are subtracting a negative integer, we will move to right. When we are subtracting a positive integer, we will move to left. Now see one more example here. 6 minus 2, a simple subtraction. 6 means plus 6 minus 2 means plus 2, which is equal to 4. Simple subtraction. If I am writing, instead of 6 minus 2, I am writing 6 means plus 6. Minus of minus 2, instead of 2, I am writing minus 2. It cannot be 4. Here 6 minus 2 is 4. So here 6 minus minus 2 cannot be 4. So 6 minus of minus 2 is 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. It means when there is to subtract an integer from another integer, positive or negative, it is enough to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the integer. Suppose if you want to subtract minus 6 from this integer, you take the plus sign, this additive inverse of this, and add it to this. Means additive inverse means, suppose if 1 is the number, additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. Vice versa, additive inverse of minus 1 is equal to plus 1 or 1. Additive inverse of 5 is minus 5, or additive inverse of minus 5 is plus 5. We will not write plus 5 only. So if you want to subtract 8 minus 5, what you have to do? take the additive inverse of minus 5, that is 5, and add it to 8. So the sign will change. When you are taking the additive inverse of minus 5, the sign will change here. 8 minus become plus, and this minus of is 5. Additive inverse of minus 5 is 5, which is equal to 13. This is the rule. So subtraction of an integer is the same as the addition of its additive inverse. Understood clearly? This is the method of subtracting integers. I hope it is clear, and we will do more exercises afterwards. Thank you.